Okay, I want to explain a little bit how investing in GIT, that is Global Trading Investment, or rather Global Investment Trading Company, especially the LIBMAL program. Now, this is a company that trades in cryptocurrency, and it was founded by Sim Parfait, a Basel guy from Cameroon. And what the company does basically is they trade in cryptocurrency, and they have many other products. But the one that I am actually going to talk about now is the cryptocurrency trading. So what happens is you invest your money, like you give them your money, they use it to trade for you and share the profits with you. So I'm going to share my screen and explain how it works. I am not an expert in it, but I have invested. It has worked for me, and this is the way I do it, and I hope it works for everyone. Okay. So I'm gonna log into my account here. Where is me? Where is me, Bridget? Traffic lights. Is that a traffic light? Yeah, let's see. Bicycles. What's going on here? Why can't I log into my own account? Bridget. Lights. Okay, so I am logged into my dashboard here, and so this is how it works. Initially, I bought a package for 3,200 Limo dollars. They have their own currency, their own cryptocurrency called the Limo dollars, and it is stronger than the US dollars. It is 1 Limo dollar is equal to 1.33 US dollars. I heard today that the rate went up. I don't know how far up, but from the last time I got limos, I got them for 1 limo to 1.33 US dollars. So they have different packages that you can invest in, and they range from 200 Limo dollars to 1 million Limo dollars. So you can see the packages here. The packages are named after capital cities in Africa. That is capital cities of African countries. This one is called the cheapest one, which is the 200 Limo dollars package, is called the Porto Novo. Then you have the Libreville, which is 400 Limo dollars. Then you have the N'Djamena, which is 800 Limo dollars. The Malabo, which is 1,600 Limo dollars. The next one is the Yaoundé, which is 3,200 Limo dollars. That's the one that I started with. And then you have the Pretoria, which is the 6,400 Limo dollars. Le Coeur, which is the 12,800 Limo dollars. Then you have Abuja, which is 25,600 Limo dollars. And then you have the Dubai, which is $51,200. You have the 100 Limo dollars package, which is the Waga. And you have the 500 Limo dollars package, which is the Yamoussoukro. And then you have the Tananarive, which is the 1 million Limo dollars package. So those are the different packages. Now you start by creating an account, and you can only create an account through a sponsor. That is somebody who has already invested, has to refer you. You can't just come in on your own. So when that person is creating an account for you, for example, if I referred you, what I'll do is I'll click copy here on my dashboard. I'll click copy here, and then I go to a new window and paste that link that I clicked over there. And when I open the link, it gives me a form, and that form will already have my ID, my account ID, to show that I am your sponsor. So when we fill that form, all this form, and submit, it will say an account has been created successfully, and they will send an email to the Gmail address that you opened the account with, and that email will have a link for you to activate the account. So you will click on that link, and it will take you to the sign-in page, where you will use the username and password that was created for you when the account was created. You will use that username and password to sign into the account, and that's how you activate the account. So once the account is activated, you will buy Limo dollars depending on the package that you want to invest in. For example, if you want the Dubai package, which is the $51,200 Limo dollars, you will multiply that by 51,200 times 1.33. That will give you 68,096 cents. Yes, 68,096 cents. So that will be the amount that you will pay to get this $51,200. So if somebody tells you that they invested in the $51,200 Limo dollars package, which is in Dubai, they had paid, if the rate is still the 1.33, then they paid $68,096 for this package. So once you pay for the package, they will deposit that amount of money, the $51,800, into your account, and the money will be here in your balance. So the money will be sitting here in your balance. And then you will come down here and click buy. And once you click buy, you have bought that package and you have invested $51,200 in the Elipma. Now, how do you make the money? They use your money. They use your $51,200 that you invested. They buy cryptocurrencies and sell. So they trade in other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and all the other ones. And every week, they share the interest that they make for that week with you. So if you invest today, Wednesday, for example, they start trading with your money today. On Wednesday next week, they calculate how much interest they have made and they share it with you. I don't know what percentage they give you, but there is a fixed weekly payout that they give you. So whether they lose or they make huge profits, they have that fixed amount of money that they give you every week. For this package is $2,205 Limo dollars and 5 cents that they give you every week. Every month, if you multiply this by 4, it should give you 8,822 Limo dollars. Remember, this is Limo dollars. So you still have to multiply this by the rate that you bought the limos for to get it in US dollars. For 1 year, so this is the most interesting part that will make you understand that you're making profit here. So imagine that you invested this $51,200. The contract is 1 year. Every investment has a 1 year's contract with them. So at the end of the year, you would have taken out all your money because they're giving you this weekly payout is the principal, part of the principal plus the interest. So at the end of the year, when the contract would have ended, this is what you would have made, $114,688 from $51,200. So you see that it's like almost double the amount that you put in. Which bank will give you that kind of interest on any money that you save with them? The banks will use your money, lend the money out, make the interest, and they don't give you anything in reward. So in return, rather. But these Liye Leapmal, they will use your money to trade, and they share the interest with you every week. Now, some people ask the question, so how do I get the money out if I wanted to? They send you an ATM card. Where did I put mine? Let me see if I'll find somebody's card here. Yeah, so they send you an ATM card in envelopes like this. They are affiliated with the UBA Bank in Cameroon, and that's the bank that issues the card for them. It's a Visa card, and whose card is this now? Let me see. Okay, I don't want to take his card, but this is the card. This is the card. You can see it says, Liye Leapmal right there. So this is the card. They send you an ATM card like this, and you can withdraw your money from any ATM in the world. So you can withdraw your money from any ATM in the world. And though the payout is weekly, you can only withdraw money every month. And they want you to notify them before the 23rd of every month that you're going to withdraw money. And then by the 25th of that month, you can take out money from the ATM. And remember that ATMs don't give out a lot of money. Most ATMs, some of them, the limit is like $1,000, some is $500, depending on the ATM. So that is one way that you take the money out. Another way is if you invest from $51,200 and up, they can deposit the money in your bank account. And then another way is to sell the Limo dollars that you make every week. As you make this money every week, when you have new referrals, if you have new people that you want to refer to the company, they will be looking for Limo dollars to invest. So instead of sending the money to Cameroon to buy Limo dollars, you can sell the Limo dollars that you have in your balance to them, and they'll use it to invest. So that's another way that you can cash out your money. So that's how it works. It's very simple, but very practical. And like I say, I don't know which bank will give you double the amount of your investment after 1 year. I have saved money in the bank before, and even after 2, 3, 5 years, you don't make anything out of it. You don't make much out of your savings. So I hope I was able to explain it in a way that you guys understand it. And please, I encourage everyone to invest. it is not a scam like most people think. At the beginning too, I was very skeptical when it was presented to me. I hesitated for like 4 months. And then I said, okay, let me just give it a try. And I tried it and it's working so well for me. After 6 months, I made all the money that I invested in. And then the rest of the 6 months, because the contract is 1 year, the rest of the 6 months, it's just the interest, which is the same amount of money that you invested. So even if you borrowed money from somewhere, say you borrowed $100,000, for example, from a financial institution and invested, in 6 months, you will make that amount of money and pay off the debt, and then maybe give it 7 months so that you make a little bit more to pay off the debt plus the interest on the loan. And then the rest of it is yours. So out of $100,000 that you borrowed, maybe you will make like $40,000. Which business even? How many businesses give you that kind of profit? You know, so I encourage everyone to try it. This is something that will relieve you from any financial burden. It is something that can, you know, if you have a project, for example, you can set goals and save here, invest here, make the money to finance your project. Okay, all right. So I hope I was able to explain it. For example, if you buy I've been talking too much about the $51,200 package. Any other package that you can afford to invest in, let me go to the lower ones. For example, the $800 package, if you buy this every week, you will get $29.23. In a month, you get $116.92. In 1 year, you get $1,520 out of $800 that you invested. You see that? It's almost double. And then every time you refer somebody, they give you a commission of 6% of whatever that person invests in. You know, whatever package that person buys here, they give you 6% of it. For example, if you look at my page here, you see commission. This $12,812 is just money that I've made from referring people. You know, this is so good that, you know, you share with your loved ones because you want everybody to make money. When I tell people about it, my goal is not to make the commissions. It's not to get the commission, but that is something that comes with referring people. So I benefit from it. But that's not my main reason of telling people. I just want everybody to take advantage of the opportunity. I want everybody to gain financial freedom. That's my main reason of advertising it or spreading the good news. And then here, these are the bonuses. For example, if you look here, it says sponsor turnover. Sponsor turnover is the total amount of investment made by me and everyone that I referred. And then the team turnover is the total amount of investment made by me and everybody in my team, like everybody who is referred by somebody that I referred and so on and so forth. So everyone in that team, our total investment so far is $326,000 Limo dollars. Remember, it's more in US dollars. You have to multiply this by 1.33. And again, this is the sponsor turnover. This is the total amount of investment made by me and people that I referred. So when you refer people, there are certain levels. Where did I put that thing? Okay. When your sponsor turnover is 1,800 and your team turnover is 6,000, they give you a bonus of $360. I got that long time ago. And then when your sponsor turnover is 10,800 and your team turnover is 36,000, they give you a bonus of 1,800 Limo dollars, free money. I got that one too long ago. And then when your sponsor turnover is 54,000 and your team turnover is 180,000, they give you a bonus of 7,200 Limo dollars, free money. 7,200 Limo dollars. It's getting interesting now. Let me multiply that. 7,200 times 1.33. That gives you 9,576 US dollars that they give you as free money. And then at that level, you are platinum. And then when the sponsor turnover is 270,000 and the team turnover is 900,000, they give you a bonus of 18,000 Limo dollars. 18,000 Limo dollars times 1.33 is $23,940 free money. That is the diamond level. And then the coach level, your sponsor turnover should be 1,080,000 and your team turnover 36,000 Limo dollars. They give you a bonus of 36,000 Limo dollars, which is 36,000 times 1.33, 36,000 times 1.33, which is 83,790, am I sure? 36,000 times 1.33, 47,880 that they give you free money. And at this level, they give you a new Prado SUV. So see how much money you make just by telling your close friends and family members about something that they will profit from. This is I've never seen anything like this. Honestly, I haven't seen anything like this. People are making a lot of money out of it. My brothers and sisters, don't be skeptical, try it and see. If it doesn't work for you, call me and tell me how much you invested. I'll give you that money back. So if you hear me making this profit and giving you that kind of guarantee, then you know it's something that really works. Otherwise, I will not be making such promises. But I'm telling you, please try it, give it a try. You can start with as low as 200 Limo dollars, but I advise everyone to start with the 800 Limo dollars, which is an equivalent of 1,064 US dollars. Because then, you know, the more you invest, the more you make. That's why I'm talking of 800, the 800 Limo dollars package. So I hope I was able to explain it. And then over here, you see the account. Under the account, it gives you your payouts. If you click there, you will see all your payouts that you've been getting, your weekly payouts. And then the commission, this is everybody that I have referred and the commission that I get from referring them, the 6% that I get from their investment. And then, so this is everyone that I've invested. You can see all of these people have invested. I mean, everyone that I've referred, rather. You can see all of these people here. You can see how long the list is. And everybody is satisfied. Everyone here is satisfied. They like it. They're making the money. And everyone is thanking me for referring them, for talking to them about it. See all that long list of people. And then the team bonus, like I told you, this is what I've received so far. The 360, when I got to that level, and then when I got to the next level, I got the 1,800. When I got to the platinum level, I got the 7,200. So my next level will be the diamond, that will give me 18,000 Limo dollars if I get there. So these are the team bonuses. And then the generation, this generation is simply your team, like the people that you referred and the people that they referred and so on and so forth. So generation 1 is these people that I referred here. Generation 2 is the people that they referred. So please click on the generation. Well, so, but I mean, you understand what I'm talking about. And then my level info. So this is my level again. It's like the commission levels. So I am platinum now. And then you go to finances here to finance. And this is where you transfer money, you receive money, you withdraw money, and then your withdraw list. So if I go to transfer here, if I want to transfer to some other person, I have to get the person's ID. This is the ID here. I'll put the ID here as a beneficiary. And once I put the ID here, that person's information will appear here, their name, their email, their phone number, and their account status, whether they are verified or unverified. It will appear here. I'll put the amount here. Just put any comment. I usually just write transfer here. And then you decide how you want them to send you a code. They will send you a code, a verification code, to make sure that you are the one transferring money from your account. So if you want them to send it by SMS, you click SMS. If you want it by email, you click email. And if you want it by GIT authenticator rather, you click that and then click this and click proceed. Once you click proceed, it will take you to a next page where they will send you a code, either by text or by email, depending on which one you chose here. When you get that code, you put in the code in the next page, and you'll have a PIN that you created. You put in that PIN, it's a 4-digit PIN, you put in the PIN, and then you click transfer. Then that money will be transferred to the ID that you had put here. So that's how you do transfer. And then your transfer list, you can see here, this says send. So this is Limo dollars that I send to these people here. And then receive, this is money that I receive, Limo dollars that I receive from other people. You see send. And this send that you're seeing is, like I told you before, when you refer people and you want to cash out money, you can sell the Limo dollars to them. That's a way of cashing out your money. So that is that one. And then the withdrawal list, I have never withdrawn money by this means. So this is how you withdraw money though. There are different methods. As I told you, by Bitcoin, by Payer, by bank, by Orange Money in Cameroon. This Orange Money here, it's mobile money in Cameroon. They just put it in their mobile money. It's very easy for people in Cameroon to take the money out. They just send it to their mobile money. And then you have the credit card, of course, the debit card that I showed you, and then the SMB token. So this is how the different ways of taking your money out here. This Bitcoin is for people who have Bitcoin wallet. They'll transfer the money into your Bitcoin wallet. And then for deposits, it says you put the amount, the method, and then I don't know, I've never deposited money like this, so okay. Here it says you put the amount, deposit method. It's not even letting me click that. I have never deposited money. I always buy limos from people and they deposit it in my account. And then the different packages. these are my packages here. These are the packages that I have invested in. As I told you before, I started with the $3,200 package, which is called the Yaoundé. Then I made that money after 6 months. I bought another Yaoundé package. Then when I made $1,600, I bought the other package for $1,600. Then I made $800. I bought the package for $800. Then I made $400. I bought the package for $400. Then I made $200. So I kept compounding the interest until now. My investment is $9,000. I think it's $9,600 from $3,200. Let me get to my dashboard to see. Yes, my investment now is $9,600 from $3,200 that I initially invested. And I have also received this $12,812 plus $9,360. I've received all of these as referral commission and bonuses. I've only been with them for 6 months. So imagine how much money I've made in 6 months. And then notification is all the payouts. When they send it to you, they notify you. If you transfer money, they notify you. These are all the notifications that you get. And then these are all the text messages that I get. Everything that they do, if you want them to text it to you, they text it to you, page 1, page 2, page 3. Next, you know, I have even page 4. I've done a lot of transactions. So that's why my list is long. And then this setting here, this is where you set your PIN. And you click on secret key here, it will bring you here. You click on here because I already have a PIN, that's why it has all of this here. But otherwise, it will have, here will be blank and you will just put in your PIN, and here will say new PIN, you set PIN, and you click on set PIN and you will have your 4-digit PIN, which is what you use in transferring Limo dollars to other accounts. And then this is where you verify your account. So initially, when someone refers you, they ask you for the picture of the front page of your ID, the back of the ID, and a picture that you take with the ID on your face. Those pictures, they use them to verify your account. So they come here, you see where it says account verified. Initially, when they just create the account, this will say account unverified. When they put in those pictures and put in your information and send it to them, it takes them 48 hours to review it. Once they review and everything is fine, then you will see this will change to account verified like it is here for me. So basically, that is what it is. I hope I was able to explain it. And again, I am encouraging everyone to take advantage of the opportunity. If you don't have a lot of money, start with something small and see how it works for you. And then I'm sure you will come back huge. I can assure you that you will go looking for all the savings that you have in this world to come and put it in this thing. And I can also bet you that it's not going anywhere anytime soon. It's here to stay. So please don't be scared. Don't say, oh, you know, I might invest my money and the company closes down or something happens. I think it is here to stay because cryptocurrency is what everyone is doing these days. Cryptocurrency trading. Remember when Bitcoin came out and everybody was skeptical. I remember my son said, oh, mommy, invest in Bitcoin. At that time, it was just like $40 for 1 Bitcoin. Today, it is almost $60 for 1 Bitcoin. 60,000, sorry. It's almost $60,000 for 1 Bitcoin today. So if I had bought one at that time for $40, imagine how much money I'll be making today selling at 60,000. So it's the same thing here. This is the time for everyone to jump in and invest. Cryptocurrency is the way to go these days. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you. All right, thank you everyone, and hope you take advantage of it. Don't say I didn't tell you, because I did. All right.